Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to start a new tutorial series where we will be building a WhatsApp clone. And before I start by showing you the app, I need to say that there are two main differences. The first one is the login will be done using email and password instead of phone number. The second one will be we included a logout feature. When the WhatsApp app they don't have a logout feature, you need to delete the account to log out. So that said, let me show you the app. First of all, you see it's the welcome screen. From there you click on agree and continue. You get the login screen. It's inspired from the WhatsApp from messenger login screen. Okay, from here we write nancy.wheeler@gmail.com, and as you can see it's a floating text field, so it starts as a placeholder, and once I start writing you see it floats to the top. It's something that you see a lot in apps nowadays, so I included it in the tutorial series. You click on login and hopefully you log it in, and as you can see you got all the discussion you had. Okay, perfect. The second thing is here we will also log it in as Walter White, so walter.white@gmail.com and with password of 60. Okay, we log in. Okay, perfect. You see we got already a discussion. Walter sent to Nancy, hey gorgeous, so we are going to reply to him. And here before I start writing I need you to see something. You see this one, it's for recording now, but once I start writing it will be for sending. So you see now it becomes for sending, before it was for recording. So let's say hello Walter, okay, hello Walter, and let's give him an emoji icon like this one. Okay, and now when I click on this one it will be sent in real time. So let's click on it, and as you can see we receive it in real time and with the correct time. And as you can see also it's grouped by date. These two messages happen today. Okay, perfect. We can also send images, so let's send an image from here. Let's say I don't know, let's say we send an image of Nancy and Steve fighting Vecna. Okay, perfect. You get the image, and with the right timing we can also send a voice message like this one. Hello Walter. Okay, wait for it and it will perfect. You receive it in real time if you click on it. Hello Walter. Perfect. You see you can record your voice. You can also send a video, let's say this one. Okay, wait for it. Okay, perfect. You see you can play it and it's perfect the way I want it. Okay, if I want to send a message to someone I didn't have a discussion with before, you click on this button, like exactly like in WhatsApp. Let's say for example we want to send a message to Dwight Schrute. You find him, you click hello, it is sent and it was added, and as you can see Dwight Schrute is on top, which is perfect. Okay, we can also go to the setting. Let's say for example change the image. Okay, let's give Nancy Wheeler, I don't know, let's put the image for example of Sansa Stark. Okay, let's wait for it, and perfect, it was changed. We can also log out, and if we want to create a new account, we click on sign up. Let's create, I don't know, let's say Sansa Stark, for example. Okay, sansa.stark@gmail.com. It will be Sansa Stark, phone number +9999, and for the password it will be 60, and I want it lowercase. Okay, if I click on sign up, the user will be created. Of course, we have no discussion before. If we go here, as you can see, it doesn't have any image yet, with the name and about and everything. So perfect. We don't need these two anymore. If you want, if you like the app, so let's start coding. We click on Xcode. Let's create a new project, an app. Next, it will be tutorial app, and of course you need the interface to be SwiftUI, the language to be Swift. Okay, next, and create. Okay, perfect. From there we need to create 6 new groups, or I think 5 new groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First one will be app, and we will place tutorial app here. The second one will be core. The third one will be model. The fourth will be service, and the fifth will be utils. Okay, perfect. From there we will also need in the content to add 9 new groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The first one will be authentication. The second one, let me check, will be components. The third one will be chat. The fourth one will be inbox. Then it will be new message. Then it will be profile. Then root. Then settings, and we finish with tab bar. Okay, and also in the asset there are 2 folders we need to take: the colors and the image. And these 2 folders, you will have them below in the description. You will have access to all the project files you need. Just take the color folder and images and put them in assets. Okay, perfect. In utils, I will create a new group, call it playlist. Okay, so I will put here all the playlist, including the info playlist and everything. Okay, and in our tab bar, let's create a new group called view, and here we will create a new file, and it will be a SwiftUI view. It will call it main tab bar view. and here we will have main tab view. So apologize, I meant tab view. Okay, perfect. And I think text, the first one I think is inbox, and it will have a tab item, and inside it will be a v stack, and the v stack will have an image with a system name, and let me check what's the system name. It's bubble.fill. Okay, I think okay, and then dot environment slash dot symbol variants, and we will need at state private var selected tab of type integer, and it will be by default 0, and here it will be selected tab equals 0. In that case it will be dot fill, else it will be dot none. And if some of you don't understand okay, I think okay, it's this way, and if some of you don't understand, I'm going to explain it. Okay, it will be chat, I think chats, yes. Okay, so first of all, you see this image, it's called bubble.fill. So we are getting this image from something called sf symbol. Okay, so let's go to sf symbol. Okay, if we write here bubble, there are two kind of bubble, this bubble and this one. We want the bubble to be filled if our chat is selected. If it's not, we want it to not be filled. That's why if selected tab is equal 0, in that case it will be bubble.fill. If it's not equal 0, in that case it will be bubble, which is this one. And to make sure that it will be this way, we will add dot on appear. And when dot on appear, we will make selected tab equal 0. That way we know when it is selected, it will be equal 0. So let's copy and paste it 3 other times because we got 3 other ones. Okay, the second one, I think, let me check what it's called updates. It will be here called updates, and it will be dial.love image. Also, it's an image also from sf symbol. And for selected tab, it will be equal 1, and when dot on appear, we will set selected tab to 1. The third one will be communities. The same that we find in the WhatsApp app, communities. Selected tab will be equal to, and here it will be equal to, and for the image, it will be person.free. Okay, and this one, it will be called phone, I think, or calls, I apologize, calls. Okay, so it will, for the system name, it will be phone. It's also from SF symbol, and here it will be also calls. And the last thing is on our entire tab view, we will give it a tint of dot black. The reason behind it, I don't want it to be white, I want it to be black. Which is perfect, the way I want it. Okay, for this one it will be equal 3, and select tab will be 3. Okay, perfect. That's all I got planned for today's video. In the next video, we will start implementing the inbox view. In the meantime, if you enjoy the content, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.